Hi everyone, welcome to Data Focus Python's Team 1 demonstrations. And we will first show you the structures of folders. So first of all, we have a main Python files, which includes all of the main Python flows. And we have a folders called as the download, the folders called as the modulus, and the folders about the preloaded. The download folders includes all of the files that is downloaded from the main program. And the modules folders includes all of the supporting Python files. And the preloaded folders include all of the existing files that we load from the main program. And then we start our main programs. It will show that you can load the data from the internet or load the data based on the existing files, which is located in the preloaded folder. Since the house data and the review data needs to spend a lot of times, we comment out we only load part of the data, and which is the demonstrations of how we load the data from the internet. When you want to load data from the internet, you can click 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3, or 1, 3, or 3, 2 to load the data from the internet. If you want to load the data from the existing file, just click enter. So now we have the whole data, and we can see that we load the data from the internet, and we clean in the data. However, to have the whole, to present the whole functions of our products, we will kill the programs and load the data from the existing files. So now you can see that there is two options, the rent information and Pittsburgh overview. I will first introduce the renting informations. When you click first, and it will show 10 housing renting informations. You can click the next page to see the next 10 housing information. And there is a neighborhood filters, which you can use to filter all the housing informations in that neighborhood. So now we can click the first one, and it will show the information about rent, bathrooms, neighborhood, and also the average rating score for that neighborhood. We can see the plus here. The plus is about the neighborhood safety based on the latitude and the longitudes in that address. So we can click neighborhood filter. It will provide you with the 50 neighborhood options. So now we can click the first one. It will show all the housing informations in the Regent Square. So this is the housing informations in the Regent Square. We can click the first one. It will also show all the informations about the rent, the bath, and also the average rating scores, and also the neighborhood safety graph. So this is all the functions that we implement in the renting information. Now we back to the upper menu, and back to the output menu. So we can now we move forward to the Pittsburgh overview. In Pittsburgh overview, we divide into two parts. The Pittsburgh overview will show you all the informations about the Pittsburgh, and the neighborhood in Pittsburgh, it will show you about some graph related to the neighborhood. So when we click the first one, it will give you 8 options. And all of the options you can choose, and most of them is the graph. When we click the first one, the renting price analysis, it will give you the plots about the renting price and all the renting price in the box plot. And the second one will be bedroom and bathroom analysis. We want to mainly focus on the non-studio housings. So it will only provide the non-studio housings, bedrooms, and bathroom histogram. And number 3 will be the relationship between the renting price and number of bedrooms. Number 4 will be the relationship between the renting price and the number of bathrooms. And number 5 will be the safety ranking. It will provide you with the the top 10 safe neighborhoods and top 10 dangerous neighborhoods that you can choose, that you can see from here and decide which neighborhood to live in. And number 6 will be the reviews ranking. It will provide you with the top 10 reviews ranking based on the means rating score and the top 10 neighborhood rankings based on the total number of reviews. And number 7 will be the review statistics of the whole Pittsburgh area. It will show you full graph, the histogram of the rating scores of Pittsburgh, changes of the rating score of Pittsburgh through times, changes of the popularities of Pittsburgh through times, and word clouds of reviews in Pittsburgh. And number 8, it will be a special one. This one, I will create a heat map of crime data in the Pittsburgh area, and so you can choose, you can see which neighborhood you want to live in. And this one, since the console does not provide the HTML support, so we will download the files into the download file in here, which is the Pittsburgh crime map.html. So now the files is successfully downloaded. We can open that to the download Pittsburgh crime map. It will show you a heat map in the Pittsburgh area. So you can see here, it locates it will show you about the streets of the crime and the information about the crime. So the user can use this to determine which areas should they live in. So we introduced all the functions in this sections. Now we're back to the update menu. Now we choose the neighborhoods in the Pittsburgh. You have two options, the safety information and the reviews information. I'm going to click the first one. It will let you to choose two neighborhoods. For example, when I choose 102, it will give you a plot, a time series plot about these two neighborhoods. So you can choose which neighborhood is better than the other neighborhood. For example, in here, we can see there the Regent Square is definitely better than the Housewood because they have lower crimes throughout the time. Now we're back to the upper menu. We go to the reviews information. In here, you can choose whatever neighborhood that you'd like to choose. It will show all the informations about that neighborhood based on the reviews. The histogram of the rating scores, changes of the rating score through time, changes of the popularity through times, and a word cloud about the reviews. So on that, you have we demonstrate all of our functions in our product. And thank you so much for listening. You can click Q to quit from this program.